Alright, Vloggity Vlog Part 2 of HT's chat, I guess. We're gonna call it HT chat today. Where we just talk about random ass stuff. Like how Kris doesn't know how to drive in my neighborhood. No, that's my neighbor. Oh, Kenny, you're not supposed to block that. Hey bro, you were supposed to stay at the stop sign. Yeah, no, they're supposed to go around. Yeah, that's like a unanimous rule in I guess this part. Like you just go around, because otherwise people get like that dude. He was getting if you saw him, he was getting heated. Cause he's like, who the fuck is this dude blocking my shit? Cause I get heated when people block my shit. But yeah, you can get in front of me. I'll let you get in front of me. I know. You're not from these gorilla parts. It's crazy because these old people made that shit too. Oh, I guess not. This is not even part 2 of my vlog. Nice, Kris is wildin'. I'm not driving with the gorilla. It's nice weather. Slow down. Right behind us. Relax, relax. It used to be a really bad bump right here. Still not the greatest, but it's a lot better than what it used to be. It used to tear up people's wheels. Like sometimes you see people sitting on the side. It was bad. What is with... That's what we can talk about. Roads in the fucking DMV. Now when I say DMV, for those who do not live in the DMV, I do not mean the Department of Motor Vehicles. Fuck that shit. This is DC, Maryland, Virginia, boy. What you fuck out of here. You never heard about this. Anyways. So, roads in the DMV are utter garbage. Hello, mister. They're utter garbage. Roads are trash. They're like, some of them need to be paved. There's potholes everywhere. You dodge and shit. And depending on the road, you just might as well not drive on it. I am a lowered vehicle, so like, fuck that shit. Like, I'm not eating the street type low, but you know, your boy's kind of low. And I don't like avoiding shit. Like right now, it's smooth. Like if 90% of the roads were this way, I'd be so happy. But that's not the case. That's not the fucking case. And it triggers me because it's just like, why? And it's just like when they pave shit, there's like these little bumps in the road. Like, couldn't y'all have smoothed that out? Like, it's a giant ass bump in this shit, bro. Like, ugh. But it is what it is. I digress. Get some of that. 75% throttle. Got this new mic. Yo, so well, you'll probably see it in a later video. I threw it away, but the camera, oh my god, I destroyed the camera. It like fell off. I had it mounted on the side of the car, and it just fell off and blew itself up. I'm glad it wasn't like a too expensive camera. That would actually kind of suck, but look at this GT. I don't want it. Probably gonna look at me like, oh, this nigga's got a GoPro on his head. Like, what the fuck? So, for those that don't know, my clutch does not like hills. It's stage 3.5 competition clutch. I chose it because it could take a little bit more beating. It's not bad in terms of the heaviness. It's not bad. It's very stock feeling. don't like the engagement point. I prefer my engagement point to be towards the bottom. That's just me. I know some people prefer it at the top. You know, I prefer that shit to be at the bottom. Like random divots like that. I don't know if the camera caught it, but like those random divots. Like that. Like what the fuck is that? Smelling, I must be built upside down. Hello, good sir. Oh, you probably saw me. Like, why does this thing have a GoPro on his head? Oh, that type shit. Psych, I don't like to speed. I like to drive my car enthusiastically. That's what we're gonna say now. We don't speed, we drive our cars enthusiastically. I hope I'm loud enough. In terms of like the amount of mods I could do more than just the 3.8. In my eyes, the biggest thing I could do to the 3.8 is put the either a single turbo or a twin turbo in, and that was it. Like great, I'd be making really good power. I feel some pretty decent power. And build the motor, you can do that. I bought the 2-liter. Because I thought I could do more with it. And it turns out, I've got so many mods on this car. Like in actuality, I have so many modifications done to this car. The biggest thing I think so far I've done is the meth kit. So at 10 pounds of boost, it sprays. I have to look at what the settings are. I can't remember off the top of my head. But it sprays meth at 10 pounds of boost. I need to get some gauges. I do not like these stock gauges at all. They are kind of booty. I am a 2-liter Genesis. And Kenny, you're probably going to have to cut so much of this footage because I'm just rambling. Biggest thing I've done is the meth kit. I have plans this year to put a Garrett GT37R turbo on here, and I want to push closer to 370 wheel. Right now I'm pushing 315 wheel horsepower and 330 torque to the wheels. I have different rims because I need some wider tires. So I was like, if I'm buying wider tires, I might as well buy rims that can accommodate the wider tires. So I put I put 245s in the front and 275s in the rear. And I don't brake traction like that anymore. It definitely still brakes loose now that it's, I guess, boost weather. I call boost weather like 60 some odd degrees. I actually have grip. I can keep up with my friend's Q50, which I say he's keeping up with me and my soda bottle, because he is a 3-liter twin turbo and he keeps up with this soda bottle. So he'd be like, oh, but and I'd be like, nah, keep it up with me, nigga. It's on BC Racing coilovers. Also touchless launch. Oh. I wanted to park on the other side. The other side of this. Okay. I realized this, like, this man has no idea what I'm talking about. Custom cat bag. It's a straight, well, not even custom cat bag. It's a 2.5 inch straight pipe. Like what this boy over here is trying to do with somebody's daughter, just straight pipe. Yes, sir. But I don't condone that action with somebody's daughter.